complaining na solo travel, hopefully maybe we can live together. Hopefully it's not raining today. Just arrived. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is I've been watching a couple of YouTubers, vloggers. So meron tayong Go with Mel and with Sed ba yun? Travel with Sed or something like that. I can't remember his site. But wala tayong gagawin natin yung DIY na sinasabi nila madali lang. So we'll see how it goes. Okay nga na ako lang mag-isa ngayon kasi I can really try this adventure. Mahilig kasi I rather actually do the walking and traveling. Actually sabi nila pwede raw lakarin to. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalayo. So but it's early morning, so sabi nila pwede raw lakarin to. Siguro maglalakad ako. So pinag-iisipan ako kung lalakadin ko siya or dito. You know what? Magtanong tayo. Since it's still early, so I have a lot of time. Huwag lang uulan. So, okay. Let me think about it. Meron namang walkway yun. Dapat dito tayo. Gaano kalayo. Problema kasi hindi ko alam kung saan yung ano tawag dito, terminal for the boat ride. So I'm staying for the tricycle. 75 pala yung tricycle. Ay, feeling ko. Akala ko 25.